Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you a very cool AI tool that I've used several times to create different kind of presentations with just simple clicks. It does a deep form of research to be able to come up with the kind of presentation that you want. So take a look at this. I have just virtually created these slides on this particular tool. The future of AI in Nigerian education system, and let's kind of make it full screen so you can enjoy it. All right, so take a look. It has even given us speech notes. That is the best part of this. It has added speech notes to it if in case you want to use the speech notes or you want to directly utilize the speech notes directly. So you can see how fantastic this creation is in terms of the slides, the content, the arrangement, the graphics. Everything is top-notch and is something that is worth trying, that is worth experiencing. And I think this is the next level software that you can see. It has done that in many different ways. Look at this with even audio if you want added. The AI revolution is here. Take a look at how fantastic this can be, and the best part is that you can customize this and own it to serve as your own, and you prompt it in the same format using the prompt that was used. Now to access this, all you need is to start by coming to genppt.ai and it will bring you over here. And the most interesting part of this is that you can create the presentation from PDF document, from a YouTube video, or from more PPT tools like from a Word document, from a speech notes, from Excel, from Markdown to PPT, from text to PPT, HTML. You can compress PPT, you can do all of this PPT to PDF. You can do reverse prompting like I've shown you in the other slides. You can do reverse prompting to get something like this as well. So all you need is to make sure you have login to your account, and let's take a look at the pricing briefly. This pricing for starter is very cheap. For standard it's a bit expensive, and then for premium, if you're interested and it's something like, you can easily go for the premium feature as well. So let's say you've logged in. Now to kind of try this, all you need is to use the chat area in here and just give it a prompt. For example, can you create a presentation about the solar system, be as detailed as possible, covering key concepts and ideas. Okay, so now you can come over here and you can be able to select the type of presentation. What do you want? Do you want to use Nana Banana 2 or you want to use classic? I'm going to keep it at classic, and then the number of slides you can specify in here depending on your choice. Let's say I'm going to go with just 8 slides, and then in here you can enable it to browse the internet or you can disable it depending on your choice. And then you have some other simple settings in here. For example, you can define the kind of cloud model that it should use. For now, I'm going to select Sonnet because it's the most intelligent of the cloud models. And I'm going to specify the illustration, what kind of illustration. I want to use free images for this because using premium images can acquire some points. I want to remain at English. So these are some basic settings that you can put. And once you go ahead and hit on enter to this, you can just go ahead and hit on enter and just give this some seconds, and it's going to go through and generate your own slides that you can take a look at the end of it. It might take some minutes and I will get back once it is done. And as you can see, the presentation had been created successfully in here. So we can decide to play about it and see from the beginning and experience what it is, the solar system. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to full screen, and then you can start to play it one after the other. Origin and structure, and then you can see the molecular cloud formation and the sun, and then we have the inner planets. Very detailed and well crafted presentation that you can share. The outer planets, even though I don't know why we brought in this image of the church, which is not actually relevant at this moment. Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune is supposed to carry those images, but it is not. But it is wonderfully created. You can easily replace the images if you're interested in replacing them very easily. Okay, so you can go ahead, explore, and see how you can use this to your own advantage. With this another prompt, you can edit whatever slide that you are interested in editing. So you can export it and share directly by copying the link, and then you can share with people to have access to it and deliver the same presentation, or you can work with as a team. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the GenPPT AI to generate simple, detailed slides for your next presentation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.